Welcome back to the Makeforms tutorial series. In this video, we will build a simple interest calculator using the calculated field. Before we start adding fields, let's quickly understand what we're calculating and what inputs we need. We'll calculate simple interest using this formula. Based on this formula, the form needs three input values: the principal amount, the rate of interest, the number of years. Once we have these three values, the calculated field will compute the total interest automatically. To keep things simple, we already have a form set up with these three inputs. First is the principal amount. This is a number field, and we have added a prefix of dollars so it is clear this value is money. Next is the rate of interest. This is also a number field, and we have added a postfix of percent so users know they should enter a percentage. Finally, we have the number of years field. This uses a slider, allowing the user to select a duration between 1 and 20 years, 1 year at a time. A slider makes it quick and easy to adjust the time period without typing. Now drag calculated field into the form. Place it below your three inputs. Now, rename the label to total interest. This field will not ask the user for input. Instead, it will calculate a value using the numbers the user entered above. Then, go to the Calculated Field Settings panel. In Basic Settings, the first thing you will see is the Calculator Editor. This is where you build your formula by inserting fields and operators. Start by adding brackets in the Calculator Editor. Then insert the principal amount, rate of interest, and number of years fields inside the brackets. Add the multiply operator between each field by dragging it into place. Once all three values are grouped, add the divide operator and enter 100. If you add anything by mistake, you can remove it using the remove icon. Next, you will see placeholder text. Use this when you want to show a hint before the value appears. For example, you can write, "Your total interest will appear here." Below that, you will see helper text. Use this to explain what the number means. For example, total interest calculated from the inputs above. You can show the helper text as a tooltip, which appears when the user hovers over the icon, or display it below the field so the explanation is always visible. Next, you will see max length. This controls how many characters the result can show in the field. Use this when you want to avoid long values stretching your layout. Next, you will see the rounding method drop-down. This controls how the final calculated value is displayed. Now, round shows the nearest value based on the next digit. For example, if the next digit is 5 or more, the number rounds up. If the digit is less than 5, the number stays the same. Then, Ceil always rounds the value up to the next whole number, even if the decimal part is very small. Then, floor always rounds the number down to the nearest whole number, regardless of the decimal value. Lastly, decimal keeps the number of decimal places based on your precision setting. For example, with precision 2, the value shows 2 digits after the decimal. With precision 0, the value is rounded to a whole number. Right after rounding method, you will see precision. This controls how many decimal places you want to display. Now open Advanced Settings. You will see Hidden Field. This lets the calculation run in the background without showing the result on the form. The user will not see the value while filling the form, but the final amount will still appear in the form responses. After setting up the calculation, enter values in the relevant fields such as the principal amount, interest rate, and number of years. The calculation runs automatically, and the total interest value is updated instantly based on the inputs. That is how you build a simple interest calculator using the calculated field in Makeforms. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.